Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Monday.com for workflow management, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Monday.com website. Click on the Get Started button or Try for Free option. Fill in the required information to create an account. You will need to provide your email address and choose a password. After filling out your details, click on the Sign Up button. Check your email for a verification link from Monday.com. Click on the verification link to activate your account. Once verified, return to the Monday.com website and log in to your account. Upon logging in, you will be prompted to set up your first board. Choose a template or start from scratch by clicking Create New Board. If you select a template, browse through the options and click Use Template. Decide if you want it to be private, shareable, or public. Now, you can begin customizing your board. Add columns by clicking on Add Column at the top of the board. Select the type of column you need, such as text, numbers, dates, or status. Once your columns are set, start adding items or tasks to your board. You can add tasks by clicking on the plus Add Item button in the first column. Enter the task name and fill in details for each column as necessary. To assign team members to a task, click on the Assignee column and select their names. Set deadlines by clicking on the Date column and choosing a date. Use the Status column to track the progress of each task. You can also add labels or tags to categorize your tasks easily. To collaborate with your team, invite them to the board by clicking on the Invite button. Enter their email addresses and send out invitations. Monitor progress on your tasks through various views like Kanban, Timeline, or Calendar. Adjust your workflow by dragging tasks across statuses as they progress. Explore additional features like automations to streamline repetitive tasks. Take advantage of integrations with other tools you may already be using. Regularly check your board for updates and new tasks assigned to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.